Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. If you have a Toyota Grand Highlander and you're wondering, how do I operate these seats? How do I move them back and forth? How do I fold them flat? All of that we're going to show you in today's video. So first of all, we're going to start with the control, or the release I should say, right up here on the top. When you use that, here's what's going to happen. I'm going to pull up on that. That gets the seat up and out of the way so you can get to or from the third row. Now, one thing you're going to notice is it doesn't go all the way back. The release to control the seat position is going to be on the side of the seat. That very front release right there is what allows you to move the seat back and forth. So I'm going to pull on that, move the seat back. Now, how about recline, all of that, changing the position of the seat? We can also use the release on the side right there. That lever that you see is going to allow you to also move this back and forth depending on what you need to do. But that's not all it does. It also allows for reclining the seat. So there's plenty of ability to do that. And last but not least, how do you fold these seat backs completely flat? It's a two-step process. Number one, we're going to use the release right up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull on that. Now, I'm going to move the seat back a little bit. On the side of the seat, you'll notice that release, the second one that has a 2 on it. Here's what's going to happen. When I pull on that, I'm not even going to do anything other than just let it come down. That's what folds the seat down flat. So for those of you that maybe had questions about the seat, that is how you're going to take advantage of the controls here. A little bit different than other vehicles out there, but I hope that helps you out. If it did, please share this video on your timelines on social media so other people can see it. We appreciate your time, and we'll see you in the next video.